Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Looks like India is all set for Asia's largest defense and aerospace exhibition, which is going to happen at the Air Force Station, Yelahanka, from February 3 to February 5, 2021. The main aim for this year's exhibition is to gain a good name in the world's largest market for defense products. Even though India keeps promoting the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat mission, there is a need to take the required steps in this direction so that many foreign companies are ready to invest in India and start making their products in India. Even though this year there won't be as many participants as the previous exhibition, but it would obviously have big brands from various countries like the United States, Israel, France, the United Kingdom, and Russia. Let us see what specific weapon or aircraft or chopper which we can expect from these companies one by one. I would not be covering any participant list from India in this particular video. From the United States, Boeing would be taking required steps to promote their F-15EX aircraft as they recently got approval from United States government to offer this particular flight to India. Boeing are awaiting a chance to win the 114 MMRCA program if it gets resumed, but not sure if India would be going for indigenous aircrafts by completely scrapping this particular tender. Another company from the United States is going to be Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin will exhibit the F-21 aircraft, the MH-60R Romeo multi-mission helicopter, the S-76D helicopter, and C-130J Super Hercules aircraft. Among the other highlights of the show, a B-1B Lancer heavy bomber, which is used by United States Air Force, will perform a flyby. The B-1B Lancer is a supersonic heavy bomber capable of carrying out missions worldwide from its bases in the United States as well as from forward deployed locations. From the United Kingdom side, India can expect Rolls-Royce showcasing and promoting their gas turbine engine, which is MT-30, during this Aero India 2021 exhibition. Rolls-Royce MT-30 marine gas turbine would help propel the future-ready naval defense forces for India, and Rolls-Royce would take all possible steps to win the Make in India deal if Indian Navy shows interest. Aero India 2021 will be an important platform for Rolls-Royce to explore the opportunities to further collaborate, co-create and co-manufacture in India. The MT-30 gas turbines can propel Indian Navy's modernization program by providing integrated power and propulsion solutions, and this is what Rolls-Royce wants. Not just that, Rolls-Royce would also start negotiations on co-development of the new engine that will see a transfer of technology and intellectual property rights with India. Rolls-Royce had previously offered EJ-200 based uprated engine, but the present proposal talks about the development of a new engine to power the AMCM Mark II fighters. Coming to France companies, MBDA, the maker of missiles of Rafale fighter, will be showcasing its Make in India commitments by exhibiting a full range of missiles and missile systems. These are the options which they would be promoting for India's future air combat capabilities, including air dominance, strike and maritime engagement. Next company, which is Airbus, will showcase the cutting-edge innovative products along with its customer services and training capabilities during this exhibition. Looks like they might be promoting their Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport as well. Airbus participation would prove their commitment to the rapid modernization and indigenization of Indian aerospace and defense sector. Airbus is also more interested to win the Indian Navy deal of 123 multi-role helicopters and 111 naval utility helicopters. For this deal, Airbus is promoting their AS565 Panther helicopter. So that was a high-level update and a sneak peek of Aero India 2021 exhibition participant list. I would upload another video with more updates later. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.